Welcome if this is your first time here, welcome back if you've been here before. Today I wanted to go over what is in my pumping bag for when I go to work. So I got the Spectra through my insurance and I got the bundle that comes with a backpack for it, but I found it was not big enough for me personally and everything that I needed to bring for especially my longer nursing shifts. So I switched over to this Truvani like tote bag that I got a while back. It's huge, but it's necessary for everything that I bring for my shifts. So I got these wet dry bags off of Amazon. I absolutely love these. The print is adorable and they serve really well for pump parts. So I will do one clean dry bag and then I'll do one for dirty parts as I go throughout the day. I'll just transfer it into the dirty bag and then I can wash whatever is in here once I get home. So clean, dirty. And they also have this other zippered pouch that I like to keep my smaller stuff. So in here I have the lids to the bottles that I will pump into. This is the Spectra bottle. Hook it up like this. Got my Spectra flanges. So this is one set. I don't have the other bottle right now, but you would hook up the bottle to the other side. And then this is one pumping session set. So a lot of people pump right into the bottles. I like to make my life a little bit easier and I'll pump directly into the bags. So I have these reusable silicone bags and I'll just put it in there like that and I'll just pump directly into the bag. You do have to be a little bit careful because it doesn't fit perfectly, but as long as you're not messing with it too much, it will stay kind of hands-free. And I would just wear a pumping bra so that I can pump while I'm eating lunch, because it did take me like 15-20 minutes to pump and my lunch break is 30 minutes. So I would pump directly into here to wash less and save time. And then you can also do that with the plastic Medela, Lancino, any of those brands you can do it with as well. So I have a few of those in here and I would just bring as many as I thought that I needed for the shift depending on how long I was working. And then this is my hands-free pump. This is the Momcozy. So I would have this one and I would have the second one so I can pump at the same time. I personally bring enough flanges to not have to reuse or wash throughout the day, just because I do work in the healthcare setting and I'm a little bit of a germaphobe, so I don't like having to like touch my pumping stuff more than I need to or possibly contaminate it at work with the shared sinks and everything. So I just bring enough flanges to last me the whole day. That's why I do use my hands-free pump to give me like an extra set of flanges. And then I also have the Medela Harmony manual pump. So I will use this for one of my pumps as well sometimes if I need to. I find this really, really great because you don't have to worry about if the battery is dead. I find it easy to pump while I'm driving. If I just have to pump one time during the day, this is what I'll use because I just find it easy for me. So this is one pump session, and then if I had one set of flanges, that would be pump session number 2. Then I could use my hands-free for a third pump session. And if I had more pump sessions or I wanted to only use my Spectra, I would just bring enough flanges to last for the entire day, then wash everything at the end of the day. Alternatively, you could wash them every time. Some people just wipe them down with like Dapple pump wipes. I am not comfortable myself doing that because I just try to limit any like chemicals at all. So I just feel safer using just soap and water to wash my stuff. So I will have all my clean stuff in this bag, and then as I pump throughout the day, I transfer it to my dirty, wet, dry bag. I also bring this little bag, which I got reusable breast pads in, and I will use this to put like 1 bottle of milk in the fridge, like at my client's house, just to keep it clean and like private, especially if like my client is struggling with their breastfeeding journey at all. I just like to keep it in here so I'm not like, here's all my milk. And then I also keep this little bag with all my chargers. So I have my Momcozy chargers. I have 2 of those. And then I have all my cables for the Momcozy. And then I have my Spectra pump charger. And then I have some disposable nursing pads, which I never need, but I do have them in there. And then I have my Spectra. This is the one that can run off of battery. The blue one runs off of battery, B&B. I also have the pink one, but I have been using this one as my main pump because I do like that you don't need to have it plugged in. And the battery is pretty good on it. I can pump for quite a while without any issues. So that's nice, but I do always bring my chargers to work just in case. So then I put my Spectra in first, then all my charging parts, and then my dry bags on top. My little pouch. And there we are. So that is everything I keep in my pump bag. I also bring a separate lunch bag, so that is not included in here. And obviously drinking lots of water is important while you're pumping, so I make sure to bring my own reusable water bottle as well. Thank you so much for joining me today for the What's in My Pumping Bag video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much. Have a great day.